Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wooden sign from Dollar Tree. And I am going to pull the tag off of it. And then I am going to cover it with this paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to lay the sign on here and trace it out with a pencil and then cut it out. Once I have it all cut out, I am going to Mod Podge that onto the sign. And this paper was a little thicker, so I made sure that I used a good amount of Mod Podge. I'm going to lay that on and then just smooth it out with my hands. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to sand off the edges. So once it was all dry, I'm just going to take my little sander, sand off all of the excess paper. Now that that's all done, I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to take these 3 wood rounds, and I did them in 3 different sizes, a larger one, a medium one, and a small one to make a snowman. And I believe I got these wood rounds at Hobby Lobby. They used to have them at Dollar Tree, but I haven't seen them in a long time there. Now I'm going to paint each one of them white. And then this little snowflake that I got at Dollar Tree also, I'm going to paint that white as well. And I used the color Vintage White. While those are drying, I'm going to add a hanger back to my sign. So I'm just going to add a piece of twine, just tie it off on either side. And my twine was fraying, so I had to cut it and restart. So once I had those in there, I'm just going to cut off the excess twine. And now I'm going to take my snowman wood rounds and I'm just going to line them up onto the sign and then hot glue them down. So make sure that they're all even. And there's our little snowman, and I think it looks cute just like it is, but we're gonna add some more stuff. So I'm going to take this burlap ribbon, and this is also from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna lay that right on top, some hot glue, and then just cut off the excess. And then I'm gonna add that snowflake that we painted right to the top of that burlap. And then I'm going to take this tinsel ribbon, and I think this came from Walmart. And I'm going to kind of wrap it around his neck. So I'm just going to kind of double it up and then wrap it on his neck. Make it look like a scarf, and then glue it all down. And now our little snowman has a scarf, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. I didn't want it to be too long. And then I'm going to take this piece of a sweater that I had, and I just cut out a little square. And I'm going to take it and just kind of fold it in half at the top. And then I'm going to tie it off with a piece of twine. Just kind of scrunch it up at the top and then tie it off with the twine. I'm going to make sure that it fits his little head. And then I'm going to take a little bit of glue and run it along the bottom of the square and then fold up the cuff. And then put it on him and then glue that into place. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on either side to hold either side of the hat on. And then I'm just going to kind of take the top of the hat and fold it over and glue it into place. Just kind of pull it over, put a little bit of glue down, and then hold that in place with the glue. And now he has a cute little hat. Next, I'm going to take some bells that I had, and they're silver ones, and I got these at Dollar Tree also. And I'm going to glue 1 onto the middle part and then 2 onto the bottom. Give him some little bell buttons, And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love the way it looks. It's an amazing winter decoration, not just for Christmas, and it was really easy to make. I think it could even be like a jumbo ornament for your tree. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.